Hello, people of Agario. We are gonna do publications. Applications. We're gonna play Uncut with Strangers again. Okay. Drop with that Irish accent. Okay. We're gonna play up to 88. Oh, shoot. DJ Mario. Okay, just before that, we're gonna do a noob versus pro video. Three rounds for noob. Let's see if noob is better than pro. I already uploaded it. Sorry, it's uploading. It's still in process. Sorry, it's okay, mommy. It's still like 14 minutes remaining until it's done uploading. It's fine. It's fine. I'm making a video right now. Okay. I'm making a video right now. A noob versus pro video. What?
Will baby sleeping? What is this? Break? Huh?
I don't know. Wait, guys, I'm gonna end the video right here for a bit. So.
What did you break?
That was random, actually.
Sabi, move. What car are you?
Car?
Mm-hmm.
Green.
Green. And yellow. Put it here.
I'm there. I'm done. I'm done. Mommy, I'm done. I'm done. I'm in the mansion.
You have to separate it. House, career, action.
What's your career?
No, we're gonna get a card when we get there.
Guys, I wanna setting up the board games. I'm gonna upload this video too, so and then I'm gonna show you pictures of the board game we're gonna play. We're gonna make it I'm gonna make a video of it. It's called Board Game with Mom.
You can take a picture of me.
Game of Life with Mom. It's not a picture of me.
No, you can't show them my face.
Why?
I don't want to.
Okay, guys, it's time. Just kidding. We're still gonna go over here. You know how much fun it is to be a YouTuber? It's so fun. What the heck? TYT Pro. You can only split from this small. Oh, shoot. The Jackal skin. Jackal. Shit. I hate you. I'm loyal. You're not even loyal, to be honest.
50K.
My mom's organizing games, so
And
just to be honest, I describe her as a very unorganized person. Huh. is getting organized. Oh, shoot. Oh, TYG serious? To be honest, you can't even get
This.
a Sumo White Tempest.
What is this for?
Just like that. This is a pro versus noob game. It's no uncut. It's just pro versus noob game.
Where's the token?
What token?
It says here there's a token. May nawawala ka?
What token? I don't even know what token is.
It says here there should be a token.
It doesn't matter.
It matters. How are we gonna play this right?
How do you use the token too? Ooh, yes.
Ayun pala. Should be the same color. So you have the green.
Okay, honestly, you're the slowest tiger.
Oh, this is the babies.
Token?
No, the small ones.
What babies? What kind of babies?
Baby, like a real baby. Yun lang muna yung car seat niya? Yeah. Hindi na makalalayo, di ba? Ay, grabe.
Okay, to be honest, this guy is really level 100. I am level 100 too. Which is good. Oh my gosh. It's a level 100 map.
Nakatayo si Papa sa brief? Ewan ko. Nakatayo ka ba sa brief? Sa brief? Nakatang ka sa brief? Kalibang mata. Ganun na siya umakyat sa mata. God. Naiiyak ko ganyan. Wala namang sumapit sa sa kotse. Ay, anong laro yan? Laro tayo
Game of
mamaya,
Life.
Nick. Ha?
Game of life.
Laro tayo mamaya niyan, ha? Nagalit ko.
No.
Why?
Only mommy and daddy.
No. It's for family.
Yeah, but only mommy and daddy. Mommy and daddy and Natalie.
I'm not gonna subscribe in your
Mommy, daddy, not Lulu, you and Mamu and all of the others. Not Lulu. Lulu can play the game online in the online and do zimmers. Shoot, no.
Mas magandang ano yan. Pangit yung isa niya, no?
Doge,
Parang halatang cheap.
Doge,
Parang $10 lang.
Doge,
Anong brand eh? Anong brand to? Lenovo. Ba't hindi mo dinala ng ano yan? Anong dala niya nung... Dala niya yan. Ay, hindi niya dinala yan. Nasa car lang yan. Sabi ko isa lang ang pwede niya. Kasi, yeah, kasi baka mawala. So, pinili ko yung aking. So, okay na mawala. Ganun. Hindi. Mahirap mag-control ng dalawa. Mamaya mawala sa isip niya na dala niya yung isa. Gets mo? Nakabago lang yan ng time na yun, kaya pinili ko.
Oh, I have to keep wasting my minutes. Wow! Come on, bruh. It's all your fault. Peep. I'm done. I have to refresh this. Everybody's so big. Just like my record. 41K. You trapped me, Paolo. Stop it. I'm done with that server.
Okay, I'm the banker, okay?
Huh?
Choose your path before you start. Which one do you choose?
Okay, guys. It's time to do the vlog.
Here.
So,